Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide a folder in Windows 10 PC. So friends, if you want to hide a folder in Windows PC, so firstly you need to select that folder. So in my case I want to hide this folder, Zoom named folder I want to hide. So click on view and uncheck hidden items. Friends, you need to click on uncheck and then right click on that folder, then click on properties. And here the option hidden. Check this box. Then click on apply. You have chosen to make the following attribute changes hide. Do you want to apply these changes to this folder only, or do you want to apply it to all subfolders and files as well? So if you want to apply it to all subfolders and files, so check this box. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files. And if you want to hide only this folder, not subfolder, so select first one. I want to hide all folders, subfolders and files, and then click on OK and then OK again. So as we can see, that folder is hidden just now. If you want to view this folder, so check this box, hidden items, check this box, so you will be able to see that folder. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method you can hide any folder in Windows 10 PC. Let's again, you want to hide this Camtasia folder, uncheck this hidden items. Now right click on Camtasia, properties, and check this box hidden, apply, then apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files. Click on OK, then apply and then OK. That's it. So friends, by this easy and simple method we can hide any folder in Windows 10 PC. And if you want to unhide, so right click and properties and uncheck, then apply, OK, then OK. That's it. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.